That huge explosion in West, killing 15 people, left a school in ruins and leveled several homes. But now the federal government says there's not enough damage to bring in federal disaster aid. The Federal Emergency Management Agency is refusing to provide money to help rebuild the town of West.
FEMA officials notified Governor Perry this week that the aid request had been denied. West Mayor Tommy Muska asked FEMA for $57 million. $40 million of that would go to rebuild a school near the plant that was destroyed. The mayor also requested money to repair roads wrecked by the blast, and he also wanted to fix the city's damaged sewer system with it. Right after the explosion, Mayor Muska got some encouraging news from President Obama. He attended a memorial for the first responders killed in the blast and made a promise to stand by the victims in West.
And after the attention turns elsewhere, your country will remain ever ready to help you recover and rebuild and reclaim your community.
Governor Perry is now calling on the president to make good on that promise. In a statement, the governor says, "We anticipate the president will hold true to his word and help us work with FEMA to ensure much-needed assistance reaches the community of West."
Some federal aid has already been approved for the people in West. 764 people have registered with FEMA. The feds approved more than $5.8 million in Small Business Administration loans to help pay for homes and business losses. They also approved $640,000 for disaster assistance grants for families in West. That money can be used for things ranging from repairs, personal property replacement, or medical expenses.
This is the second time in the past few months that FEMA has rejected a Texas request for disaster aid. Survivors of the tornadoes that hit North Texas on May 15th had their request denied. Tornadoes hit several counties then, destroying or damaging hundreds of homes there. Despite the massive damage, the estimates did not exceed $34 million. That is the amount required to trigger a federal disaster response. And that means homeowners will not have the option of low-interest home repair loans from FEMA.